श्री सरस्वती मामवतु श्री सरस्वती मामवतु श्री सरस्वती कामकोटिपीठ निवासिनी कामकोटिपीठ निवासिनी मामवतु श्री सरस्वती कामकोटिपीठ निवासिनी श्री सरस्वती कामकोटिपीठ निवासिनी मामवतु श्री सरस्वती
way. Very beautifully dressed up, our dear ones are standing to welcome their friends. Now today we can start today's school opening ceremony by lighting a lamp. It's a traditional welcome dance. So now I request one of our students to speak a few words of the reopening of our school. So I request one of the students, please come forward to share their views.
Good morning to everyone present here and welcome back to Model English School. My name is Varnit Naya from Standard 4th E. It's really a great day that we are gathered in the morning assembly after a long time. Today is the first day at school after 2 years and I am excited, nervous and worried. Finally, the much awaited day has arrived and we are glad to see each other healthy and happy. After a long battle with coronavirus, the school campus is vibrant again with our cheerfulness. COVID, COVID, COVID. From the last 2 years, we all are hearing only that. Earlier, I was scared But as time passed by, I became bindas. Just like every coin has two sides, COVID too had its own advantages and disadvantages. As schools remained shut due to the pandemic, there was no other option to learn than online classes. My dear friends, it is important, a time of excitement and fun for all of us to be back to school, healthy and fit after a long break. Let us start our first day at school after this battle with hopes and dreams of our future. A good beginning makes a big difference. So, let us keep our beginning focused and full of dedication. Let us be positive and spread good vibes in our society and continue living a disciplined life. Thank you.
Yes, that was a wonderful speech by Aditya. Now, I would like any other.
Good morning all, myself Anvali Gandhi from. I was eagerly waiting for school to reopen. I was strongly missing it. And today I can't believe I am here to say something about it. My school is very special for me. I am so happy as school is reopening. Today is the day and I am so excited to say something who is my teacher, which is my classroom, and many more things which I missed in lockdown, means pandemic. My school is very special and I think our teachers are very good to for teaching. And our madam is very means our madam is very good forever. And in last 2 years the pandemic was and we can't learn in that. Online classes were also good, but coming to school is totally different. And I think this school is starting and I'm so excited with learning these things and many more such things. Thank you.
Thank you, Anvali, for sharing your thoughts and opinions. Now, about our parents, we do cherish your partnership and collaborations in all endeavors of our life. We treasure your love and concern towards our institutions. So I request one of our parents to come forward to speak a few words about the opening ceremony of our school.
Hi, can I have a big smile on all the faces? I'm not seeing any smile on the faces. It's a reopening day, I guess, right? So, my name is Naresh Gangurde. I'm the ex-student of this school. I'm feeling proud of this, and my daughter Smanika Gangurde, she's in 5th D. So I'm really honored, first of all, to be on this stage and in front of all the management, in front of all the teachers, to share something about this reopening day and the COVID thing. I personally believe the COVID was the most disastrous thing which happened in India. And to be on the front warriors, everyone has fought for his family, for his, the society. So that was the real, war between the pandemic situation and our personal life. So I'll request everyone to give a lot of applause, a big clap to all the teachers and all the management who have worked day in, day out. Because why I'm personally saying this, because one of my colleague, not a colleague, one of my good friend, she's also one of the teachers. So I personally used to be in contact with her, knowing how the things are going on with the teachers, how they're preparing themselves to teach online sessions. So during these online sessions, I was with my daughter sitting beside because I was working from home. I also faced some kind of situations where I was out of the job. There was some technical reasons which were going on. But to say on a very good note, teachers have really worked hard because I think during those normal situations they used to work 8 hours, 9 hours. But during the pandemic situation, I believe they were working almost 12 to 16 hours. So once again, I will really ask everyone to give a lot of applause to all the teachers for their efforts they have put in day in, day out. I know they were putting these efforts, leaving behind their personal life, their personal things which they must have enjoyed besides when COVID was not in a place. But now because of the COVID situation, they have also screwed with some of their personal life. But that's the part and parcel of life. We have to stood strong, and I believe some of the teachers must have worked day in, day out, and they must have helped each and every children. I believe in online sessions also, some parents must have felt, I guess, what is these online sessions? How can the teachers will able to teach them? That was a big, a big experience for all the teachers as well as for the parents to make their children sit in front of the laptop or sit in front of the your mobile, and how this thing will happen. So everyone has a dilemma, how this thing will happen and how the children will learn. So I believe, and I personally felt that it was a new experience to each and everyone. But going forward, I believe in now in the regular period, like from now on the offline sessions, there is something which teacher have taught in online sessions must have a great advantage where the children will get to routine life and the routine things, and they will learn good, and hope these things will go on, and these things will be on a positive note. And I believe this pandemic situation should not come again. Pray to God. We all pray to God that nothing should happen, and we all believe and we all live a very happy life. So kudos to all the management, and kudos to all the teachers and parents. This was like a helping hand. It was like a symbiosis nature, give and take relationship. And the day when we started this, and with the Ma Saraswati and Devi Saraswati, the way we started is to hope the goddess is with us, and the Ma Saraswati also with us. So hope the things will go on a very good note, and we will get to know the real life, real teaching, real teaching scenarios. So hope I can't have more words on this, but I'm really feeling happy from my side, and I, on behalf of all the parents also who are not there, I'm from thanks to all the staff, even I should not miss the peons, I should not miss the your rest of the staff who have been helping hand. So thanks a lot, thanks to everyone, and taking time and giving me a honor to stand and speak some words about this. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. Good morning, all of you. I'm happy to stand over here and share my experience about this online session, because it's the teachers and the management who played a very vital role in this. Because it's not easy to handle a student in online session, and when they're at their homes and sitting in front of the mobile and making them sit 2 hours at least properly on their place. It's big task. And students are like very much unhappy that they have to sit on a mobile for a study, because they only sit for playing games, doing watching these YouTube channels, all this stuff. But to sit and make them learn and give knowledge and to appreciate them and make them mentally strong, they should learn new things, they should be prepared for their future. Because when we are in school, we are very much familiar with our friends. We can see them, we can talk with them, we can share our views with them. But while in online, we can't do all these things. And teachers play a big role to make students comfortable. When the online session is going on, teachers appreciated students in all the ways.
My daughter is studying in 5th standard. Her name is Saina. And when the online session was going on, teacher used to take one-to-one talk with students. They used to ask the question answers. They used to make them make their own views, how they are feeling, how the education you are taking, what you understood. Because when we are in school, the picture is something different. And when we are in online, it's all the virtual things going on around us. So to cope all these things, it's very much difficult. And I thanks the management and the teachers to make them feel so lively and feeling them more comfortable when they were sitting in online. Once again, thanks.
And we are looking forward to a productive partnership with you parents to ensure our children can achieve their highest potential. Now I request our chairman of Career Samajam, Advocate Sadashivan sir, to speak a few words.
Respected HM Lalima, all teaching and non-teaching staff of Model English School, my colleagues from Samajam, my dear students and parents. It's really a day of happy, a day to be remembered. For the last 2 years, we have been under the pandemic situation. Certainly, we are limping back to the normalcy. During this period, we have seen death and devastation. I pray Almighty God to give the solace to the survivors. Human nature is to look forward. We are here to rejoice the day the school is reopening. The campus is full of sound and fragrance of our tiny tots. Everybody was expecting that the day to begin as early as possible because there were so many problems even at the schools. We have devised online method, that is the new technological development. By virtue of that, we could impart the education to the children, but at the same time there were so many limitations even in school and colleges. But I am sure the management has done everything possible for a smooth changeover from offline to online for the 2 years. Corona has not gone. The teachers, parents and students must take precautionary measures. The management has already instructed to follow up the guidelines of the government. So once again, I thank every one of you, especially the children. Let Goddess Saraswati bestow the knowledge to our students. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now it's time to wind up today's opening ceremony. I feel proud to welcome you to this temple of learning and wishing you the best of year ahead. Be at your the best and God will do the rest. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर
शिशु है अज्ञानी माता, तीन चरणों का प्यार दे।
तेरा पानी तार दे, तार दे, तार दे। माँ सरस्वती शारदे, माँ सरस्वती शारदे।
Good afternoon. I feel privileged to extend my warm welcome to one and all present here. The most anxiously awaited occasion is finally here. You all are back to school, away from your virtual classrooms. Isn't that great, children? Okay. Dear students, we welcome to a new academic session 2022-23. We are very glad to see you all healthy and happy. Why not? After a long battle of COVID-19, the school campus is vibrant again with your cheerfulness. Even if we all are gathered here, the threat of pandemic persists. It's still there, which is why we advise you all to follow the routines and protocols which would ensure your safety. As we start our new academic year with hope, positivity and encouragement, our aim is to enjoy each and every day to the fullest. We stand together, braver than we were yesterday and willing to accept the exciting future that lies ahead us. Let us accept the change and challenges that are going to come our way. And let us smile and have faith in our hearts. So students, by staying safe and healthy, we return to our offline learning and looking forward for an exciting year of wonderful achievements. We have our dignitaries on the dais. Let me take this privilege and honor to introduce our members of the Kerala Samajam. It's our pleasure and privilege to welcome Shri Varghese Daniel, President of the Kerala Samajam. Shri Babu Balakrishnan, Vice President of Kerala Samajam. Shri P.V. Sadasivan Nair, Chairman of Kerala Samajam. We welcome you, sir. Education Secretary, Shri Unni Adila. Arts and Cultural Secretary, Shri C.K. Mohan Chandran Nair. We equally are pleased to welcome our GC members, Shri A.V. Jayachandran, Shri Thamban Nair, Shri Thamban Nambiar, GC member of Kerala Samajam, and Shri Anyan Kunya, GC member of Kerala Samajam. We also have our new headmistress for the secondary, Mrs. Latika Mohandas. Immense pleasure of welcoming you, ma'am. I would also like to welcome, it's our honor, it's our privilege to welcome our past GC members. They are here, right here. So we welcome you, sir. Now, may I request the dignitaries to worship the Mother Saraswati, the goddesses of knowledge, with flowers as a tribute, and also light the lamp and give an auspicious start to our program, followed by a prayer.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा। शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमाम् आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीम्।
Now, may I request Chairman of Kerala Samajam, P. Sadasivan Nair, to speak few words on this momentous occasion.
Respected HM, Lady Supervisor, all teaching and non-teaching staff of Model English and Secondary, Honorable President of Kerala Samajam, Mr. Varghese Daniel, and my colleagues, my dear students. It's a day of rejoice. We have to celebrate. We are meeting today afternoon after a long gap of about 2 years or so. In between, some of you might have come. Certainly, the pandemic has played havoc in our day-to-day life. We all were eagerly looking forward to meet together, to start our school, so far as you are concerned, to meet your friends, learn, study, play. All these were the expectations during this period. Fortunately, the pandemic has come down. Still, it is not over. So, my sincere advice to each one of you is to follow the protocol, and even the teachers, they should see that our students are following the COVID protocol so that there should not be any case from our school. Now the campus, school campus is vibrant, full of sound, play, enjoyment, study, and along with that, the fragrance of the students that was missing for the last 2 years. I wish each one of you a better understanding of the situation. Let Goddess bestow on you the knowledge for which you have come. And there should not be any sort of grievance insofar as your teachers and the parents are concerned. This especially I am just addressing you just because we are just coming back from the COVID and we have to be more disciplined, and I wish you all success for the coming academic year 22-23. The offline learning has come back. The online, you were a bit familiar during this period, but now a totally change in circumstances and atmosphere have created for the well-being of all of us. And thank you once again. I wish you, thank you very much.
We now request our secondary headmistress, Mrs. Latika Mohandas, to address the students. I take this opportunity to congratulate her on our behalf and also wish her all the best for the academic year 2022-23. Respected dignitaries on the desk, my colleagues and my dear students, I take this opportunity to welcome you all to this temple of learning. I would like to say welcome back again to school. It's nice to see you face to face rather than through Zoom. Right? Here now, there is so much of positive energy in the school with children screaming, talking, laughing, the smile on your face, eagerness to learn, excited. So this is what school life is. You learn so many things from school. School experience is a must. You all look relaxed, excited, recharged. Give your best in school. Be dedicated in whatever you do. Give your 100%, especially you are 10th standard children. Give your best. Whatever doubts you have, you can clear it face to face with your teachers. You give your 100% and believe in God to do the rest. School life is very exciting, children, and when any academic year begins, it's actually a boon, a gift from God. We get to learn new things. You progress in life and you are making a step to secure your future. So take all this as an opportunity. Thank God. Stay healthy. Be happy. Have a positive attitude always. And rest will take its own course. Don't worry. So, on behalf of all the teachers, I welcome you all to this academic year 22-23. Wish you all the best, children, for your future. Thank you. Thank you, Latika ma'am. And we assure you that we will follow all the COVID protocols, we will maintain the discipline, and will support and cooperate her throughout this academic year 2022-23. Now, if any of the students from the audience wish to speak on this occasion, you are welcome here on the stage.
Respected dignitaries, headmistress, supervisors, teachers, and my dear friends, good afternoon to all of you. I am Vedika Chaudhary from 10th B. We all know it has been more than a year that schools around the world was closed for the safety of the students from COVID-19. Coming back to school after a lengthy break must be a time of excitement for all of us. We are very lucky to have a wonderful team of teachers who made education possible through online teaching, and all this was possible due to the support rendered by our management. It is rightly said that a good beginning makes a big difference. So let us start our first day at school after this long battle against coronavirus with new hopes and dreams. My dear friends, keep your beginning focused, and yes, we all must remain safe, following social distancing and wearing a mask. With this, I end my speech. All the very best to all of us. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
Thank you, Vedika. Any other student wish to speak? Yes.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, headmistress, supervisors, teachers, and my dear friends, a happy good afternoon to all of you. Coming back to school after a long break is indeed very exciting and thrilling to all of us. We all have been waiting for this day when the situation would get better and all will be fine. For us, one of the biggest challenges was our education. Our dedicated and wonderful teachers continued teaching learning process during the COVID-19 crisis to keep the students engaged. On behalf of all the students, I render my sincere thanks to our management and teachers to make the online schooling successful. Today, on the first day of school, I would like to tell my friends to let us prepare ourselves for the coming days with hope, courage, and new aspirations. But we must prepare ourselves with safety following the COVID protocol. All the best to all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, Aaron. Now, we conclude our occasion with a vote of thanks. Respected dignitaries on the dais, it is my honor and privilege to propose a vote of thanks on behalf of headmistress, supervisors, teaching and non-teaching staff and students. While thanking Almighty for His countless blessings, I would also like to express my sincere gratitude to the management for arranging such a colorful program for welcoming our students, which has definitely brightened up their spirits and made their return to school enjoyable. The ever supportive management have been our biggest asset, and as always, we do extend our support, guidance and encouragement, as we know is always there with us, which helps us to carry our important events like this. So I heartily thank the management for arranging such a wonderful program. With a deep sense of appreciation, I would also like to thank all the students and the parents. Without their support, this program would not be complete. Further, with much respect and reverence, I thank everyone who all are present here. Thank you so much.